Insane Tesla's $2.4 billion semi-truck factory. If you thought that Elon Musk could rest for a while after announcing his Mars expedition, then you're mistaken. It is not only outer space where Musk is making moves. All his companies in the world are booming, and they are rightfully one of the most profitable companies in the world. At the spearhead of his companies is Tesla, which has established itself as a company Musk is best known for. One recent project in Tesla, which is in the pipeline, will leave people stunned by the time it is complete. If the Tesla Cybertruck wasn't enough for people to be impressed by Tesla, they are now planning to manufacture a Tesla semi-truck factory. If you would like to hear more details on this venture by Tesla, then stick around till the end of the video. Now, before we get into our video, make sure to subscribe or you'll get bad luck for the rest of the day. Just kidding. Subscribe to have more informative videos like this one come your way. The concept of the Tesla semi-truck was revealed in 2017. It was said to be a completely electric-powered truck that would carry out the transportation of heavy goods. Musk announced that the manufacture of the trucks would begin in 2023. Getting into the truck's details, it would have a range of 500 miles on a full charge. With the upgraded battery of the truck, it will be able to travel 400 miles after an 80% charge of just 30 minutes. The best part is that charging is done with the Tesla supercharger spread throughout the United States. This means that the same charger used for Tesla's cars will be used for the Tesla semi-truck. Continuing on the truck's features, Musk said that the semi-truck is going to come with the Tesla autopilot built into it. The semi-truck will be one of the biggest projects of Tesla yet, and in comparison to Tesla's cars, this project is going to be much more difficult, which is why Musk has managed to get an entire space of land just for the creation of the semi-truck line. In 2020, Tesla took over an enormous building that spread out over 500,000 square feet. It is located in the industrial park right where the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada is present. It was first unknown why Tesla went ahead and bought this piece of land, but eventually it all shaped together to be the creation place of the Tesla semi-truck. Although they do have the land on their hands, as stated earlier, production isn't expected to begin before 2023. Speaking of production, once this factory is completed, it will produce 5 Tesla semi-trucks in a week. Considering the size and specifications of the Tesla semi-truck, that is still a decent figure for a week's work. Luckily, that's not the only place production of the semi-truck will be carried out. Volume production is also expected to occur at the Gigafactory in Austin, once Tesla increases the batteries being produced. The Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, will also be making the Cybertruck as well as the semi-truck. Plans for the Tesla semi-truck have been very anticipating. In 2018, Elon Musk said that Tesla expects to manufacture 100,000 electric trucks per year. Currently, that appears to be pretty far-fetched. But who knows? This number might be met once all the factories of Tesla are functional. With a single truck costing $150,000, that is at least $15 billion of profits for Tesla once the 100,000 trucks are complete in a given year. When Tesla does meet the manufacturing mark of 100,000 trucks in a year, it will make Tesla one of the leading truck manufacturers globally, and the Tesla Semi will be right at the center of it. The Gigafactory in Nevada is the truck's central production point. Even though proper production still hasn't begun, that hasn't stopped Tesla from racking up pre-orders. Tesla has already received 500 reservations from companies. But there are many more orders which haven't been made public by Tesla. Some of the biggest orders include 100 trucks ordered by PepsiCo and 125 trucks from UPS. Musk has also made people hopeful that the Tesla semi-truck might be able to even beat its specifications announced in November, helping to attract many interested customers. Although Musk didn't expressly state the features to be improved, the most important factors likely to be considered are the range and cost. As for pricing, Tesla has said that the production versions will have 300-mile and 500-mile range versions for $150,000 and $180,000 respectively. The semi-truck has been tested outdoors using a couple of prototype models, occupying batteries of the Model S. It is simply a race against time for Tesla to set up their manufacturing factory so that production of the semi-truck might begin. Until that doesn't happen, Tesla will have to overcome delays and battery shortages. But one thing is sure, that when the semi-truck does arrive, which it will change the truck game forever. It's not rocket science that every one of Tesla's vehicles that have been released has been groundbreaking. The semi-truck is only going to contribute to that. 2023 can't come soon enough for the Tesla truck and Tesla itself. That's all we had for today. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be bringing lots of amazing content your way in the near future.